Good evening to all of you. Myself, Anand Singh Fateh Singh Patil, Assistant Professor, Chemistry Department, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Nawapur. Here, I would like to share one application or a software. It is generally required when if we want to study simulations of our molecule which is having a potential drug activity, or if we want to study metal complex interactions or a drug molecule protein interactions, then we need to take help of some open source freely available online softwares like Autodoc, then SwissDoc, then Avogadros. So using these softwares, we can check the interactions between our drug molecule and protein, or our metal and uh, means ligands and complexes. But these softwares, they require a very specific file format. So generally we have a ChemDraw software using which we draw our structures of the molecules. But these ChemDraw structures are not identified by these softwares. They require a file to be in very definite or specific format, particular format. So there is a software which is called as a Open Babel software, or it is application. Let me share with you the Open Babel software. So here it is, the Open Babel interface will open. So it is a input format. These are the different file formats in which we can have our molecule drawn into these formats. Generally, we have the ChemDraw, that is CDX format or ChemDraw binary format. So let us choose that one, that is binary format. Now let us take one example of input molecule. Suppose I have this folder where I have already saved aspirin molecule, which I draw into a ChemDraw software, and I have saved it as the ChemDraw structure. And now I want to convert it into a PDB format. So let me select it. So we have given this input, and here it is the output format. So that ChemDraw format we can convert into it all different kinds of formats, such as protein data bank, which is the famous format of the Royal Society of Chemistry, that is protein data bank. All proteins are available in this PDB format. Then PDBQT is the format which is required by the Autodoc, and then PNG, and there are mole and smiles and so many file formats that are available. And uh, these are the different file formats which are required in very specific format for these softwares. So let us select our molecule to be converted into PDB format, because Autodoc and SwissDoc, these softwares, they are able to read PDB format, or MOL2 format. It is also there. So let us select PDB format. Now here it is the destination folder where we want to convert. So we have, I have this destination folder at desktop. Suppose I want to save the PDB format of our converted molecule into drug PDB. So I will open it, and here I'm going to have it aspirin dot PDB format. So now let us save it. So I have given the input and I'm expecting the output in this file or folder, and I want to convert it, I want that into the PDB format. So now let us give the command convert. So here it appears that one molecule is converted. So now let us check whether we have converted our aspirin. So it is the drug PDB file, and it is the aspirin drug molecule which we have now converted into the PDB file format. So hope that this might be useful for you. Thank you.